Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to understand the demonstration of search in video project. Now this project is related to creating a summary of video, or what we can say the topic list from that videos, automatic topic list from that video. That could be the precise thing. So as far as this is concerned, so many times what we see, there are so many videos that we watch, maybe some tutorial videos or maybe some lectures of some subject or on some topic. Now if that video is, let's say it's lengthy, let's say for 60 seconds, or sorry, 60-minute long, or for 1 hour, we need to understand what are the topics which are covered in first 5 minutes, what are the topics are covered in next 5 minutes, and what are the topics which are covered in next 5 minutes. So we can create a topic list by or as per that particular timestamp. Now in order to do that, we are using the NLP techniques, natural language processing, and from that we are actually finding out the important topics or the keywords in that particular duration. So this entire video, this machine learning algorithm is analyzing, and from that it is actually finding out the topic list or the things which are important in that duration, and accordingly it will generate a list of the topics along with its timestamp. Now, for the implementation purpose, we are using Python programming language at the backend side, and also the SQLite database. And at the front end side, we are using HTML and CSS. Flask is the framework of Python used to create the web application, and of course, the NLP algorithms are used to find out the keywords or important points from that video. Now, once we run this video, we will be on this particular portal, and this is the front page. Either you can register, so no user can register, or you can log in. So for login purpose, you have to provide your details, and then you have to choose the file. For example, if I pick this file, this is the video which is here, we can say, and uh, it's a 5-minute long video, and then it's having so many topics covered. So this video actually we are using to analyze the things. Here we need to specify the duration of clip in seconds. For example, I want to understand what, let's say it's 5-minute long video. So what I will do, I need to understand in the first 60 seconds what the things are covered in next 60 seconds. Now it will be smaller thing for this video considering this duration, but if you are having a 1 hour long video, then you can consider 10 minutes time frame. But now as it is just a 5-minute video, so I will be covering only 60 seconds, so that 1 minute, so that will tell me in what is covered in that 1 minute, what is covered in the next 1 minute, and what is covered in next 1 minute. And once I click submit, so it will try to extract the text from that video, then it will analyze using the NLP algorithm, and then it will tell us okay, what are the topics which are covered. Now I have already run that because takes time. So here is the list. So from 0 to 1 minute, it has covered this topic. From 1 minute to 2 minutes, it has covered this topic. From 2 to 3 minutes, it has covered this topic, and so on. So this is the entire list it had generated, and based on that, the topic list is created. Now obviously it will be more precise when this duration is larger, because in 1 minute it's very difficult to find out the topic. But if it is 10 minutes and 10 minutes, so 0 to 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, then it will be more precise results we can get. So for that we need a longer video. For demonstration purpose, I'm showing this short video, but yes, it's working, and it is finding out the important keywords or the topic list on that video. So this will be useful to students to uh, analyze the video before they watch, so that they will get the complete idea about that video, what is covered in this particular video. So that's all about the complete implementation of this project. In case you need the code of this project or any support from us, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.